Now that we have two speakers, completely different design, completely different purpose for each of them, but I still want to look and compare sound between two of them. I'm just gonna put a microphone. It's a very high quality microphone that's gonna just record the sound, and I'm gonna switch between two speakers at basically 50% volume, and then I'm gonna have my microphone about 50% gain. So because these speakers don't really make to blast at 100%, and 14 hours battery on that speaker is not at 100%. So it's probably set about 70 or 60. We're gonna look at, it's gonna drop to like 8, 9, 10 hours if you're gonna have it, you know, blast out all the way up. So less talking, let's check it out. I'm gonna play a song for about 15-20 seconds and see how it performs. I'm gonna switch from white speaker that's 2300 to the XXL to the right. Alright, let's go. I'm just gonna go on SoundCloud and pick a song that I've been listening just recently. And let's go. There you go. That's the test. Both of them have really good bass. The speaker on the right, the XXL, has a lot better tweeters. It's a lot crisper and louder. But don't get me wrong, the speaker that I have here for just the living room and my kitchen is plenty enough. Don't even think about getting anything else. So far, this is my favorite speaker. Now, I bought both of them with my own money, and I got them on Black Friday, so they had really good discounts going on. So this is gonna be my to-go speaker. Throw in the car, anywhere I'm gonna go, I'm gonna have that. That's gonna sit at home most of the time, maybe in my backyard or so, my room. There you go. That's where it's gonna sit. Thank you for watching, guys. Simon over there in the back saying hi to you, and I'll see you later.